Hi, can we have Junior Whopper, cheeseburger, beef burger, extra cheese king burger, onion rings, French fries, spicy fries, normal fries and kids meal, and hamburger, pancakes, apple juice, chicken nuggets, please?
Sure, coming right up. Are you paying with cash or card?
Card there.
Thanks, have a seat. Your food will come soon.
Okay.
There you go. Your food is 100% fresh and all the things are perfectly cooked.
Thank you for making our food fresh, and here's your tip, and I gonna give 5 stars to Burger King now.
Thank you so much for giving this tip. And thanks for visiting Burger King. Bye. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye, and by the way, your foods are so good, so yeah, that's why I visit Burger King.
Let's go. Tom, we're already late and we need to get home quickly as fast as we can. And BTW, we need to show this to our subscribers.
Oh yeah, I almost forgot, and bye, we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye. Have a nice day with a meal. And please visit Burger King Tomo and please tell our friends to visit Burger King. And thanks for visiting. Bye.
Bye, see you tomorrow. Hi guys, welcome back to emojicool. Today we're eating Burger King. Do you guys love Burger King? If you do, like and subscribe.
And thank you guys for subscribing and for support, most of you. People didn't sub, so pause sub to make us feel happy anyways. So frist is the onion rings. I heard of it but I never tasted before, so let's give it a try.
Yum, so good. It's so yummy and good. And by the way guys, these onion rings are crispy and crunchy. I'm so yummy.
I'm so good, yummy in my tummy. It's super duper mud go.
Give us 15 minutes to finish this onion rings. Next up is Burger King French fries. Let's put ketchup and then taste. I gonna put the whole ketchup. It's so good. I love it. Yummy, so fresh and crispy and no oily.
Yum, so good, yum.
Okay guys, next up is Bacon King Burger. It's full with bacons and cheese and 2 patties. Let's have a very big bite.
Yum, it's so tasty. Yum, I gonna eat the whole burger in 1 minute.
Wow, you ate it in 1 minute. Wow, I can't believe this. Anyways guys, he a hunger boy.
What did you say?
Nothing, now focus in the meal. Yum, so good guys. Give me 40 seconds to finish this jumbo bacon burger. Okay guys, so next up is the chicken burger. Smells like chicken, but I will give it a bite.
Yum, it's so good, yummy in my tummy.
Stop, you already said this dialogue 2 times.
Yummy, so good, I don't care what you said, Tom. I still gonna say that dialogue. Yum, so good guys, give us 5 minutes to finish this chicken burger.
Yum, so good guys. Next up is the beef burger. Let's have a bite.
Yummy, so good, and BTW guys, the ingredients of this burger is beef's cheese meat, that's it.
Yum, give us 2 minutes to finish this beef burger. Okay guys, so next up is the cheeseburger. Let's have a bite. Yum, so cheesy and super duper good. Yum, and guys, if you love cheeseburgers, subscribe and like. Yummy, it's delicious. Yum, next up is Whooper Jr.'s burger. Let's have a bite. Yummy, it's so good, I love it. Yum, and guys, we will make a special video, but first make us to 100,000 subscribes. And by the way, I love this Whopper Jr.'s.
Yummy, I love it, and I love the size. Give us 15 minutes to finish this Whooper J's burger.
Next up is the hamburger. Yum, I love this burger. Yum, it's so good.
It looks so tasty, yummy.
Yummy, give us 3 minutes to finish this burger.
Yum, the best burger in the town.
Yum, next up is the trip cheeseburger. Let's have a bite. Yum, so good, I gonna ate the whole burger. I love this burger. This is the yummiest thing I ever ate. Okay, so next up is BK pancake. Yum, it's so good, it's so sweet and tasty.
I love the caramel and the butter, it's so yummy.
Yum, I gonna give this pancake 10 out of 10.
Same here.
Yummy. Next up is apple juice. Yum, so sweet and taste like apples.
Yum.
Next up is King Kid's meal. It has chicken nuggets, apple juice, and french fries and spicy fries. Next up is chicken nuggets. Let's eat it. Yum, so crispy. Yummy, give us 50 mins to finish the nuggets. Next up is french fries. Yum, so good, I love it.
Yum.
Next up is spicy french fries. Let's eat it. It's so spicy. I can't hold it.
Oh, it's extremely spicy. Where is the water?
Help, it's so spicy, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like to see you in the next video. Bye. Where the water, Jake?
Ick.